Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make white gravy Kaju curry. First, you'll need to gather your main ingredients, including raw cashews, onions, ginger, garlic, and a few green chilies. We'll then prepare a silky, aromatic base for our gravy, ensuring it's perfectly smooth. Next, we'll gently cook the cashews in this rich sauce until they are tender and infused with flavor. Finally, we'll add the finishing touches and prepare it for serving. To begin crafting the gravy base, soak 1 cup of cashews and about 10 almonds in warm water for at least 30 minutes. Next, sauté 1 large chopped onion with a 2-inch piece of ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, and 2 green chilies until the onion turns translucent. Blend these sautéed ingredients with the soaked nuts and a 1/2 cup of water until completely smooth. Finally, strain this mixture through a fine mesh sieve to achieve a perfectly silky, lump-free gravy. Now let's assemble the curry. Heat 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan and add whole spices like bay leaf and green cardamom. Pour in the strained white gravy base and let it simmer gently for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add 1 cup of lightly roasted cashews and 1 teaspoon of sugar, mixing well. Finally, stir in 1/4 cup of fresh cream and a pinch of cardamom powder for a rich, aromatic finish. Cook for another 2 minutes. For the final touches, taste the curry and adjust the salt to your preference. Garnish generously with freshly chopped cilantro and a beautiful swirl of fresh cream on top. This enhances both the flavor and presentation. Serve your delicious white gravy Kaju curry hot with warm naan bread, soft roti, or fluffy steamed rice. It's a truly indulgent and satisfying meal that everyone will love.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.